Welcome to another episode of Buy Stuff, Make Stuff. Today we're going to be installing the motor quick change kit for our Tormach 1100. What that's going to allow us to do is quickly change back and forth from the rapid turn to the mill and back. I say quickly, but really it's necessary to use it with the mill. So it's an add-on accessory, but required. So let's dig in. We'll be taking this off, so it's just a matter of lifting it off its hinges and pulling it down. All right, first thing we're going to do is remove the power drawbar. Take that out. Slide that out of the way. Hopefully that'll be enough. We just need enough clearance to be able to rotate that. Okay. Take this, loosen it, take this, slide that out. Get the pulley or the belt out of the way. All right, well that wraps it up. Got everything installed properly. Motor's turning the right way. Hopefully we'll be getting the rapid turn hooked up soon and start turning some parts. Feel free if you got any questions or comments to leave them below, and please subscribe. Thanks.